Liquidity isn't gone, it's just changing sides. The dollar tightens, gold holds, and capital is caught in the crossfire of trust. Welcome to Global Pulse 360. As of today, the U.S. dollar index is near 99.9 while 10-year Treasury yields hover around 4.10%. Gold remains above $4,000 and WTI oil sits near $60. These numbers tell a paradoxical story: tight dollar, high yields, and yet hard-to-set confidence at record levels. Something deeper is rewiring liquidity itself. When the dollar tightens, liquidity doesn't disappear, it relocates. It flows toward balance sheets with lower policy risk and higher credibility. Today, those aren't just in banks, they exist in commodities, central bank gold reserves, and short-duration debt. This redistribution marks the start of a trust unwind cycle, where participants prefer tangible collateral over promised liquidity. If liquidity is quietly shifting to places that earn no yield but command trust, are you still holding assets that earn yield but bleed credibility? Monitor dollar funding spreads 3-month LIBOR versus OIS. When spreads widen while risk assets hold, liquidity is migrating, not collapsing. Track cross-currency basis swaps. They reveal where the marginal trust premium is building up. Watch a central bank reserve composition. Shifts toward gold and short-term bills show who's hoarding liquidity for control. Memory hook. Tight dollar gives loose, trust gives, system rewrites itself. This crossfire is not a crisis. It's a competition of confidence. Each major currency bloc is testing its own liquidity architecture. In Asia, credit is rebuilding internally. In Europe, policy tries to stretch limited balance sheets. And in the US, the Treasury is soaking up trust faster than it can print it. The result is a global liquidity map that looks less like a river and more like a network of tides. Liquidity tightens, power rotates. And trust, the true currency, is being repriced in real time. This is the crossfire of 2025. Stay informed. Stay ahead. If you want the data before it becomes the headline, subscribe to Global Pulse 360 Live. Every signal decoded without the noise.